Hi, this is Brad Yeager with your weekly grain market update for the market week ending Friday, June 12th. Corn futures were down 5 cents, soybean futures were down 8 cents, while wheat futures were up 5 cents this week. Markets remain relatively subdued and flat this week. The weekly crop progress report on Monday night had the corn crop 97% planted and good to excellent conditions at 67%. Steady from last week and 4% below this week last year. Soybeans were 92% planted, which is slightly ahead of average, and rated 65% good to excellent, which is down a point from last week and down 3 percentage points from this week last year. National wheat conditions dropped another percentage point to the lowest on record for this time of year, led by the hard red winter wheat in the Plain states and the southeastern states, which both had severe drought this spring. Also on Thursday this week was the monthly USDA report, which had very few and minor changes to the current grain stocks. The biggest changes were on the world front, as the USDA bumped up Argentine corn and bean production by 2 million metric tons each, and also Brazil corn production by 3 million metric tons, leading to increased global stocks, which is ultimately bearish as the market traded as such after the report release. Otherwise, the market awaits more details from the war in Iran, China to show up and start buying their proposed ag commitments, and then the big quarterly USDA report on June 30th with updated acreage and stock numbers. With all this volatility in the market and the recent sell-off of prices, it can be advantageous to have some offers in place in case the market does rally suddenly. With everything planted and odds of good crop yields increasing, it will be even more important to take advantage of any rally opportunities. Talk to your local grain buyer to put some offers in or ask them how you can place them via your phone or computer through the Country Visions Connect app. Thank you for listening to this week's market recap from Country Visions, and have a good weekend.